Let's create a burb. I think that goes without saying. It'll be a very funky looking bird. But it'll get the job done. So we gotta determine where the front of this character is. Yeah, right there. Let's try and draw like a really... Yeah, look at my abomination right there. Can I move it? Not yet, it seems. Okay, so now he needs an eye. We gotta make him look like really badass, you know? Yeah, look at that. That's good right there. And then we copy it. Yeah, look at my angry bird thing. It's fabulous. Now he needs a crest because my birds need to have crests. A really cool crest. Like, it looks like fire. Oh, darn it, I messed it up. Let's keep it simple. Yeah. Soft parts, they'll bend and curve. This thing is so hideous. Maybe he has a blue eye because he's edgy. Let's make a bean-shaped body because I make a lot of beans. No, that's not where I wanted it, though. I thought the connector was supposed to just be like, yeah, I want it here. And then just draw the shape, you know? Oh, yeah. There we go. Not quite the bean shape I was looking for, but you know what? I think we should roll with it. This isn't how it's supposed to go. Well, if he's lopsided, then we'll just kind of roll with it, right? We'll make his legs that, I guess. That's a leg. What is this? Let's put it, we gotta make him look fabulous. Right there. Yes! We'll do this, and then that's an arm. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fabulous. Let's just make the other arm unique.
I have secondary defenses.
He has one wing out. Yeah, look at that. That's perfect. I'm loving this the more I mess with it. Now he needs his tail. There we go. Yeah, son. I'm already worried that the game's gonna crash because I've used too many 3D programs that always crash every 30 seconds. I think he needs a lower jaw. Just like that, maybe. Sure, it looks fabulous. I hope he stands up correctly because based on the axis, he's not gonna look too well.
And we're not repairing them until I destroy them all.
I guess I need that to be... It's creepy and weird, but it'll do. It's gotta be deep crimson red, like his heart. Yeah. So he's gonna have one evil blue eye, but we could add a mom heart. Let's see if I can draw a heart like that. He's got a tattoo because he's so bad, and then it's got to have an arrow behind, you know, striking through it. Oh, okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, menu completed.
That looks done.
Okay, so the reason why he's got an evil eye is because this is Gustavo. Whoops, Gustavo. Okay, so... Holy... His arm's going the wrong way. Ooh, do the swing kick. Yes! You know what? His wing is facing the wrong direction. That's what the problem... Or that other arm. So we gotta fix that. But I love this arm. Function. Spinny. Let's do spinny. Yeah! Oh, swing that arm. Swing that arm. Are you not entranced by my lovely arm dance? Coming to steal your bird. I am keeping him like this. He's fanning his other arm like, yeah. Yeah, look how fabulous I look. Ladies. Yeah, so he's just constantly, like, showing off his awesomeness. Cannot touch me. It's a fear punch, though. It's ice. Okay. Don't worry, I think Gustavo can be to the rescue. I think. Whoa! No! Blah, 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 blah. Set you on fire! Or freeze you, because that makes sense. I do it all. I'm Gustavo. Yo, what's with these bootleg sands before sands existed? Wait, did I just slip over my own ice? He just doesn't have a very... His feet are too short, you know? The line pen. Also, I got more health, I think. I love his tippy-tap noises.